Stop memorizing service names. Azure EDA is simple when you see the roles: broadcast awareness, queue responsibility, and stream time. In the next 90 seconds, you'll know what to use, for what purpose, and how to combine them. Here's the map: Event Grid broadcasts, Service Bus queues, Event Hub streams. Compute reacts using functions or orchestrates using logic apps. Step 1. Something changes. An order is created, a file lands, a record updates. Azure services raise events into Event Grid as facts. This happened, not instructions. Event Grid is your broadcast layer: one producer, many subscribers. It's perfect for fan-out where consumers don't coordinate. But Event Grid is not where you place must-complete work. When work must be owned, you move from broadcast to queue. You take the same event and you materialize responsibility per consumer. Each team gets their own queue. That boundary is Service Bus. Service Bus is not just transport, it's a contract. Work is assigned, retried, and isolated. This is where you handle poison messages, throttling, and exactly what was processed. The standard Azure pattern looks like this: producer, event grid, multiple subscribers. Each subscriber enqueues to its own Service Bus queue. Functions process reliably. Broadcast first. Responsibility second. When your problem is not a job to finish, but a timeline to replay, telemetry, clickstreams, IoT, use event hubs. Streaming preserves ordered flow across partitions, so multiple consumers can replay and scale independently. Here's the decision rule. Need fan-out awareness? Event Grid. Need guaranteed processing? Service Bus. Need replayable time at scale? Event Hubs. These aren't interchangeable. Choosing the wrong one creates hidden coupling and operational debt. The most common mistake is treating Event Grid like a queue. That's how you get silent loss, duplicate confusion, and brittle "it works until it doesn't." Use Event Grid to signal. Use Service Bus to own. So, events are raised as facts. Travel through Event Grid for broadcast, become queues in Service Bus for responsibility, and become streams in Event Hubs when time matters. That is Azure's EDA model. Next episode, the concrete topologies, exactly how to wire these patterns for real systems.